You know, I've always liked this Time to Shine that Evan came out with, and it's always been real good for me. Gives a great shine, blends in the spots where I can't get in with a buffer, but I never knew it was as strong as it is until recently. You see how nasty that wheel is? Like, it's nasty. Tried this already in one video, and I can't do it in a minute. Not the way I wanted it to, anyway. So we come back and do it this. So just scrubbing, pretty good pressure. We're gonna do this whole thing. We're gonna do this part here, and we're gonna do that center lip. That center lip is a real bad one. Now, obviously, this is quite a bit of work. As you can see, this wheel needs to be cut with a buffer. Like, there's no sense in doing this by hand, other than to demonstrate the power of this Time to Shine. It's unreal. I don't understand how a finishing polish can be this powerful. That stuff is on there bad. They already acid washed these wheels once, and this is what's left after the acid. We're just about to where I'm gonna call it, because really we don't need to get it perfect for this video. I'm gonna cut these with a buffer. But let's just say you had some decently bad wheels. You could rub that with a Scotch Brite real quick. We're gonna let that flash off, and then you could rub that with a Scotch Brite and then quickly buff it like that and have it done in half the time. Get out of here. Look at that. Obviously, this could use a little more work, but you saw how bad it was. Look at that. These wheels have never been cut. They run in the winter. That's stupid. This is a damn finishing polish. Finishing. It's meant to be used after you buff a wheel. Look at that. Amazing. Drop the polish. If you guys are interested in checking out some Time to Shine, there's a link in my bio to my Beacons page. Go to that, and then you'll see the Time to Shine link for the polish. Time to Shine aluminum polish. Go pick it up if you want a bottle. And please, please, please use code SUMMERSHINE at checkout. That's the only way we can track where the sales are coming from. So if you want to support me, please just use that code. It'll save you some money.